How to set 1-inch margin in Google Docs. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can make the margins in your Google Docs 1 inch. So let us begin. First, let me zoom in here. Now you will see the option here called Files. Tap on Files. After you've tapped on Files, you will see a lot of options here. Go to Page Setup. After you tap on page setup, you will see the paper size, the margins, and the page colors. Now you can go to page list too. Let us go back to page setup here, go to pages. Now you will see the margins in inches. Now by default, it's already in 1, but if it's at anything else, you can change it back to 1. If your margins are in centimeters, you can simply put in 2.54 centimeters. That is 1 inch, as you can see right here. You can simply type here 2.54 and yeah, that will basically do it. After you do so, tap on OK and it will get applied to your Google Docs. So that is basically how you do it, guys, and that is all for this video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.